Hi guys, I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I've done a makeup video, and that's because I simply don't know. I'm just too lazy to do it. But today I'm coming at you with a Halloween makeup. It's not a tutorial, it's just to get ready with me. I am going to be Trixie. What's her last name? Okay, well, it's the girl Trixie from Fairly Odd Parents. I'm going to be doing a purple inspired look, and this palette I got this summer, which was a long time ago, but like I haven't gotten the chance to use it for something relevant. So yeah, I'm going to use it today. It has a lot of like purples and stuff, so I'm going to try to do a look with those. So stay tuned. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with the Pond's base moisturizer. Yeah, because you don't want. And then I also like to be extra and add some Mario Badescu. So today I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Herbs and Rose Water. Refreshing. Ooh, water. Cheers. I'm like hot. But like I also have a sweatshirt on, so ooh, dasher. Now that my face is like sort of dry, this is the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer. So yeah, I'm going to be starting with that today. And I'm just going to be applying it everywhere to my face. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Tarte Double Beauty Duty foundation. It's the mattifying one, the matte one. And it's in the shade Medium Honey, because I was really tan this summer. So I still kind of have that tan on me. So I'm just going to be applying it everywhere. It's really dark, lol. So apparently this foundation's really oxidizing, so you can't tell in the light, but it's really orange. Oh my god. I'm going to be adding some Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation to it in the shade Cream Beige. Yeah, I'm going to be adding just a tiny bit of this because this is really orange for me. So I'm just gonna, now I'm going to be blending this out, you know the drill. I'm going to finish blending this off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I have my face done, I did concealer, foundation, and I set it. I'm going to be filling in my eyebrows. I'll just... After I fill them in with the Anastasia Dip Brow, then I take this Tarte Double Duty Beauty Busy Gal Brow Gel in the shade Black Brown, and then I fill them in just at the end of my, like the tip of my eyebrow. Ooh, love me some black eyebrows. Okay, so now I'm going to conceal them. So I finished concealing them and I set them with powder so we can start doing our eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking this Morphe brush and I'm going to be going in with, and I dropped my brush. I'm having a great day, guys. This pink color right here, just for like a translucent color. And I think this stupid brush has glitter in it. Love that for me. I don't find this palette as pigmented as like the rest of my Morphe palettes. I think we're just gonna go straight into this color right here. Like, why not? So I'm just gonna be applying that on the upper part of my eyelid. Hey! We want to go in with this shade right here. And you're just gonna put that on top. So yeah, I'm so annoying. Why do 2 people watch my videos? Like, I should be getting 0 views. Like, I just want to be YouTube famous already, but like, apparently that's not gonna happen for me. Like, why can't I just be Antonia Garza, does one color on their eyelid and then gets viral? Like, I don't get it. I really don't. You're doing great, sweetie. Thanks. Okay, so we're gonna spin it around a little and we're gonna be adding no, we're gonna add this purple a little bit because it's really turning out pink and I don't want it to be pink, you know? I want it to be purple, like the costume. What the fuck are they doing in there? My sister's home and she has her friends over and they're so loud. But a punch in the face. And my dog is being really obnoxious for no reason. She just wants attention. Like me. Next, we're going to be taking a smaller brush. Particularly, is that the right word? Particularly. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and I'm going to be taking this darker purple and I'm going to be blending it onto my the lower part of my... I was using this one and now I'm going to be blending these two to get more pigment. That looks hideous. It's okay. Now that you've done that, blend it. You know, we love a blending queen. And then I'm going to go back in the pinks. These both, actually, yeah. And I'm just going to be going over the top again. Just... My chair! Stop. I'm going to be cutting my crease. So now I'm going to... Wow, she's thriving. And I'm going to be taking this all the way to the other side like that. I'm gonna do it to the other eye. I'll be right back. Oh, I did the other crease off camera and it looks literally horrible. Like, do you see that? It's fine. I'm gonna go back in with the 35B palette. Pretty sure this is 35B. Yeah, this is the 35B palette. I'm gonna be going back in with this purple shade and I'm going to be outlining up here just so I can sharpen this a little bit so it doesn't look so sloppy. Okay. Well, that looks horrible. Okay, I'm gonna end up using this purple shimmer right here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into that shade. Look at her, she's thriving. What am I doing with my life? That looks horrible. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush. I already used it for this purple shade, so that's fine. It has product on it anyways. Like so. Now I'm going to be doing my eyelashes, so I'm going to glue my eyelashes on and then I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm back! Hey guys! It's been like forever! Just kidding. But I put on my eyelashes. They look pretty good. And then I put some white eyeliner on my waterline because my costume, my pants are white, so I just thought I'd do that. And so I'm basically done. I just want to do a lip and then I'm going to add highlighter. So I'm going to do the highlighter part first. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit today. You already know. I did have a highlighter brush like specifically for highlighting, but I don't know where it's at after I moved. This is my 3rd time moving. So yeah, if you see like a new background, actually in my last video I did have this background, but and if you wanted to know, up here there's these cute little plants on this little wooden shelf, but like I had nowhere else to put it, so it's kind of like not in the background, but it kind of is at the same time. So yeah, I'm just gonna be applying this highlight. So yeah, this highlighter is also one of my newest products that I've purchased recently. and I really like it. I just wish I had a better brush to apply it with. This is the Morphe M310. It isn't the best brush, but I will say it is a good brush, like for $5. The CoverGirl Katy Perry lipstick. Let's see how this looks. That lipstick kind of smells toxic. It smells like cow manure. Okay, I'm just gonna be adding this on top. It's really glossy. It's the Blossom Scented Lip Gloss Moisturizing Formula infused with flowers. I don't know what brand this is, but I'm gonna be applying this over it. Okay, I think we're all done here. So this is the final look. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, because like I'd love for you to subscribe, and then I would also love to subscribe back to you. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Down. Mukbang.
It's kind of like lightly.
Got the headband, got the shirt, got the hair, got the bangs, got the makeup, got the chips.